Good morning, how are you? I hope you're well. I am without music. I play music from my iPad thing, and it flew across the room this morning and now has no sound. Life's all about being adaptable, yeah? Let's see what card we have today. Just wait for the perfect card for you for this day, for the next 12 to 24 hours. And there it is. There it is. Mother Earth. I always find this a really interesting card. Mother Earth. And the message on it is you are called to help with environment. Oh, let me try and say this. Environmentalism. Environmentalism. There we are. Environmentalism. Now, some people read this as, you need to start doing recycling, etc. But I don't. I read it in another way. Let me just look and feel through it and see what the message is for today. Okay, what I'm getting is that people need to get out into nature. See, she's holding the earth there. People need to get out into nature. Everyone at the moment is too trapped indoors, too hooked up to technology, and they've lost the natural rhythms of life. Nature gives us life and energy and hope for the future. Being trapped inside, we're affected by toxins, isolation, and in many ways it's unnatural. I think a balanced life is what we're being called to do today, a balanced life. Yeah, it's asking us to lead a balanced life. If you can, get up right now and walk outside. Consciously spend more time outside. You can also do your recycling as well. That's always really important. But this card's calling us today to get in touch with the earth. Get outside. Another little card. Be happy with what you have and are. Be generous with both, and you won't have to hunt for happiness. William Gladstone. Be happy with what you have and are. Be generous with both, and you won't have to hunt for happiness. Very true. Your happy day is great. Let's go outside for a little bit at least. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I'll talk to you soon. Love you.